I hope you guys have subscribed. Let's now see how we're going to do it. So these are the files that I'll be converting into Word documents. So I have a JPEG file here, and then I have an Adobe document here. So if you open them, this is our PDF document that shall be converting into Word document, and here is our JPEG document or JPEG file that will be converting into Word. It's very simple, guys. I hope you will enjoy watching this video, and at the end of it, of course, you're going to subscribe because I know the video will be helpful. Let's now get to our browser. I'm going to use Chrome browser, and under this new tab, type OCR and then click enter. Just give it a few seconds to load, and then you open the very first outcome, free online OCR. So you click there to open, and now on this particular page, this is where we are going to upload our files to convert them into Word document. So I'm going to just drag and drop them. I'm going to start with our JPEG file. So I'm going to drag it and then drop it right there. It takes a few seconds, and then our file will be ready. So it has been uploaded. We now click. Of course, we have chosen Word document. Remember, you can convert this particular file into either you can convert it into Excel or even a plain text, but we're interested with Word. And then after we're done with selecting, we just click convert. You give it a few seconds, and the document will be ready to be downloaded. So we're going to compare whatever you're going to have here and what we have in our document. So this is the text that has been converted into Word. Remember, you can click this particular button here and download this particular text. So if you compare whatever is here with this particular information on this JPEG or this picture, you can see that they are really the same. They are the same thing. So in the indefinite article takes two forms, blah blah blah, and all that. So there is no difference between whatever have been converted here and what we have in this particular picture. They are the same. So you just click download the output file, or you can just copy all the information here and then you paste it in a Word document. So that's how we convert a JPEG file. So to convert our PDF document, we get back to the same folder where we have our two files, and then we click on this particular document, the PDF document, and then we drop it here. So the settings here are okay. It is English, and the output, we want it to be Microsoft Word, and then we just click convert. We give it a few seconds again, and the document will be ready to be downloaded. Also, this one you can download it you can be able to download the output, and you can also copy and paste this particular information. So if you open and compare the PDF document with whatever has been downloaded here, you're going to see that there is no difference between the files. So I just want you to maybe check and compare these two files. This one starts with Heather Sutton, the same information here. Thank you for your post. I agree that mental health has been. I agree that mental. All that information is same. So there is no difference between the information contained in this particular output here and in the information contained in our PDF document. So that's how we do it, guys. I hope you have enjoyed using this video. Kindly consider subscribing, like this video, and you can also share it to help your friends. It's a goodbye from me.